Want to remove tags in Pokemon Go but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to delete tags in Pokemon Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Poké Ball which is at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on Pokemon. Now tap on tags which is at the top of your screen. Then click on the tag that you want to remove. On the top right corner of your screen, there is pencil icon. Click on it. Tap on the delete tag button. If you are sure that you want to delete the tag, tap on delete button. And that's how you can delete tags in Pokemon Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.